To be or not to be? That is a question. Haha! Don't worry, I'm not going to make you recite Shakespeare today. But here's the real questions. How many Hong Kongers still read physical books? In this episode of Cantonese Reader, we're diving into the fascinating world of reading in Hong Kong. We'll explore World Book Day, number of libraries in Hong Kong, and Hong Kongers' reading habits. Of course, I'll read the full article slowly with Yu Ping, break down all the vocabulary and cultural insights, give you a practical reading comprehension quiz, and the most important part, a PDF for download. By the end, you'll not only understand Hong Kong culture much better, you'll also level up your Cantonese listening and reading skills, and maybe even feel inspired to pick up a book yourself. Ready for a new chapter? Let's go! Before reading, download the PDF and do the preparation task first. Then, follow my voice to listen and read the article. Preparation Task 1 1. 睇書 2. 世界 3. 作者 4. 閱讀 5. 新 6. 知識 7. 固定 8. 圖書館 9. 流動 10. 安靜 11. 市民 12. 調查 13. 方便 14. 快 Preparation Task 2. Listen to the video and fill in the blanks with the words you hear. 1. 睇書 2. 圖書館 3. 新 4. 流動 5. 快 The full article now. Listen to the full article the first time only. Then, read along while replaying it. After finishing all the questions, follow my voice to say it out. 香港人去邊度睇書呢？世界閱讀日係每年嘅4月23日。聯合國揀呢一日係因為莎士比亞等唔同作者都係呢日出世或者死。喺呢一日，大家可以睇多啲書，學習新知識。香港嘅圖書館，香港總共有71個固定圖書館、12個流動圖書館同3個自助圖書站。圖書館咁多，方便市民借書同還書。另外，有36個圖書館附設自修室。喺自修室， 大家可以安靜咁讀書同做功課。香港人嘅閱讀習慣。2026年嘅一項調查顯示，過去一年只有大約半55% 嘅市民睇印刷書。好多人覺得睇電子書更方便，而且佢哋亦都學識咗用 AI 人工智能。因為電子書同 AI 好方便、好快，所以啲人就睇少咗實體書。Task 1. Multiple choice questions. Circle the correct answer. 1. 點解聯合國揀4月23日做世界閱讀日 ？A. 因為呢一日係香港圖書館嘅生日。B. 因為呢一日係好多作者出世或者死嘅日子。C. 因為呢一日大家都要去自修室做功課。D. 因為呢一日係 AI 人工智能嘅發明日。2. 香港有幾多個固定圖書館 ？A. 12個。B. 3個。C. 36個。D. 71個。3. 自修室可以做啲咩 ？A. 大聲唱歌。B. 做功課。C. 播歌。D. 只借書唔還書。4. 點解有啲人開始減少睇實體書 ？A. 因為實體書冇內容。B. 因為電子書同 AI 更快更即時。C. 因為佢哋唔鍾意學習新知識。D. 因為香港嘅圖書館太少啦。5. 根據調查，香港市民嘅閱讀習慣有咩變化 ？A. 所有市民都只係睇印刷書。B. 越嚟越多市民開始睇電子書。C. 市民唔再去圖書館學習。D. 睇電子書嘅人比睇印刷書嘅人少。6. 呢篇文章講咗啲咩 ？A. 介紹世界閱讀日，香港圖書館嘅現況同現代閱讀習慣。B. 教大家點樣用 AI 人工智能嚟寫書。C. 比較香港圖書館同外國圖書館嘅分別。
D. 鼓勵大家去購買更多印刷書。Task 2. Speaking. Record your answer and post online. Tag Cantonese with Hong. When I see it, I can give a comment. Question. 你最近一次睇書係幾時？係實體書定電子書？ Did that feel a bit complicated after reading? Don't worry, watch it a few more times. Remember, no one is a perfect learner. Language learning takes practice. The free PDF notes for this episode are ready and include the full article in Cantonese and written Chinese, vocabulary list, reading comprehension quiz, answers. These materials will help you practice all 4 skills in Cantonese: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. The download link is in the video description and the pinned comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. We'll continue with the next Hong Kong story in the next episode. What would you like to hear? Leave a comment and let me know. Bye!